We just received this indoor garden system by Arrow Garden, and we are so excited to try it out. Honestly, I do not have a green thumb and have a terrible time growing things, but this seems absolutely perfect for me. They come with 6 pods filled with seeds, and honestly, all you have to do is pop it inside so it holds all 6 of them, and you turn on the light. And at the front, there are buttons that tell you when to add water and when to add the plant food. And the plant food comes with the kit. So everything you need is right here. There's no soil, there's no mess, nothing. So this one in particular came with basil, parsley, dill, mint, thyme, Thai basil, but you can also order all kinds of different pods. You can get tomatoes, you can get lettuce, and the whole point of this is to have fresh veggies and herbs all year round.